Hey guys, I want to show you how to use the brand new sound controls that are in iOS right now. So you'll notice that the sound controls are in this button right here. So the mic sound, that means sound that's like external to the device, what I'm saying right now. The background sound is audio that you may have in like a video background. And the effect sound are anything over here. So let me show you exactly how to do it. So let's say you want music. So it's a little bit of a weird way to do it right now. I'm gonna get it fixed, but for now, here's how to do it. So let's say you want epic music. So the way, and let's say you like this one. So the play button previews things. Okay, what if we do this one? I mean, this is just kind of too much. What if we do feel good? Okay, let's just pretend we like that one. So the way to use this music is to, number one, download it. Okay, sorry, it's not clicking. Okay, and then tap it so that the bar goes all the way up. Make sure it's like that. Now let's see how it works. That's how it works. So you have the play button in the music that previews the music, but to actually make it work, don't keep playing it. Download it and then tap so that the bar is full. Okay. Okay, works perfectly. So bottom line, to reiterate, what you want to do is, if you want to use the music that's here, make sure that only the effect is, you turn on only the effect, okay? And then you just, you, let's see, you like that, okay? Now pause it, press download, and then make sure that the bar is full, and then press record. Make sure that the music is not playing. Make sure that you pause it before you press record, like I did there. And that's it. That's how you use the brand new sound controls.